Alright, so what's good YouTube man? It's your boy Bifix here, and in today's video, I want to teach you guys, well, the purpose of this video is to teach anyone. If you click on this video, bro, this video will teach you how, well, if you literally can follow the exact things that I do, learn to take these same setups that I take, be consistent, show up to the market on a weekly basis, take these same supply and demand setups that I'm taking. If you can literally just learn, if you can learn how to do this thing, bro, I promise you, man, you will break free from any financial struggles that you're facing. Like, literally, bro. Um, I was once at your point, I was at that same point where, I wasn't really making money. I was struggling. I was just trying to find a way how to really break free from poverty, how to make money outside of a 9 to 5 job. And that's how I literally came across day trading, bro. So, and over the years, because I've been trading for a very long time, I was able to basically master day trading, become profitable, and start making money by myself without the help of of anybody else. Like I just show up to the market each and every single day and place these trades, bro. Literally, and I'm showing you guys what I'm doing, literally, because I'm showing up weekly after week after week. I'm showing my losses, I'm showing my wins, because I'm trying to be transparent with persons. I'm trying to show persons what you actually have to do to be profitable. If you guys look clearly, I don't overtrade. I don't over leverage my account. I take maximum 2 trades per day. If I take a loss, I'm calling it a day. I'm not trying to have 2 losses in a day. All right, so good luck, man, if you click on this video. Amazing. No, we have this beautiful NASDAQ trade that I took today. Took this demand, bro. We're currently, um, so I've lost 2 trades I lost 2 trades since week. No, well, how many trades? I lost one trade so far for the week, pretty much. And I won 3 trades, right? So I thought I won 2 trades yesterday, and I came back today and I was able to bag out on another trade. No, this was a beautiful trade, bro. This demand here, right? So obviously when I went on the daily time frame, and this is why I took this trade, right? Because you can't just come to the market and look and take any setup. You need to be taking high probability setup. No, I explain gaps all the time, right? And I tell you guys that gaps can be very useful for take profits, and it can be very useful to enter your trades pretty much, right? So all my supply and demand setups will always have a gap. If you look right here, the gap is right here pretty much. All right, my demand zone, which is this bearish candlestick, right? And we have aggressive buying, which breaks structure. That is the most important thing, bro. We need to be taking supply and demand setups that is breaking structure to the upside if it's a demand, or break structure to the downside if it's a supply. Seeing the fact that this is a demand, we need to be breaking structure to the upside. Now, if you look on the left hand side here, you'd realize that this structure right here was broken. All right, so price aggressively, buyers aggressively buy at this specific price down here. As a result, um price went up, right? Price went up so hard to the point where it was able to break structure to the left hand side here, and that's all I needed to see to consider this as a worthy setup to take, pretty much, because I tried to look at every setup as an investment, right? You're investing your money into the setup. You don't want to be throwing your money on any, a low probability setup. You want to make sure you're literally investing your money, or you're placing your trades with high probability setup, right? So yeah, pretty much waited for price to come back to my zone here, right? Because price has to come back to the zone for you to enter. No, I entered this trade aggressively, right? And yeah, so my entry was right here, stop loss right below the zone here, and my take profit, I was, always go for 1 to 1, pretty much, but I left a runner, and the runner was in the direction of liquidity plus We have some gaps over on this side here that price eventually always want to fill. So those were the confluences as to why I took this trade here. All right, so gaps over on this side here, and obviously it had to be a high probability setup. Now, if we go on the daily time frame, you will see that the market was in an overall uptrend. And I explain this all the time, bro. We need to be following the direction of the daily time frame. So what I do, I like to go on the daily time frame to get my bias to see what direction the market is overall going in. Like, is it going for buys or is it going for sell? Is it going up or is it going down? Because really and truly, day trading is really just following the market. Whatever the market is doing, that's what you need to be doing. Because you guys, as retail traders, we can't move the market, bro. Only the banks and the hedge funds and the big institutions, those are pretty much the entities that can move the market. So all we're really doing is going in the direction of the bigger guys, like the hedge funds and the banks. We're following in their lead. So we're just reacting based off what they're doing. So if they're going up, if they're buying, we need to be buying too. If they're selling, we need to be selling too. The daily time frame, as you can see, it was going up. There's a hell of buyers in the market. So I said, cool, nice. Let me just go on my 5 minutes time frame now to see if we can find um, a demand setup to take a buy. And this is where I found this beautiful demand setup here, and we were able to pretty much catch a 1 to 2. And I tell guys this all the time. Always aim for 1 to 1, leave a runner to catch extra profits because you don't want to be aiming for those 1 to 2 all the times. 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s is not always going to get hit, bro. It's not always going to get hit. All right. Um, so you need to always take some profit off the table, and that's why I love scalping, and that's why I go for 1 to 1s because going for 1 to 1s give you the opportunity to quickly scalp the market and leave a runner to grab any other extra pips, pretty much. All right. So yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for the setup here, guys. I hope you guys are taking notes, man. I hope you guys are back testing. Hope you guys are practicing, bro, because 2025 is the year, dog. Like I hope you guys are just not binge watching, man. Like just I don't know, clicking on the video to see what BioFX is doing. No, you guys need to be learning, bro. Like if you like day trading, man, if you want to start trading, if this looks like something that you want to get into it, bro. Don't be afraid. Don't be scared to start, man. And this is what happens to a lot of persons sometimes. I understand like there's a whole bunch of like, words or a lot of persons said day trading is a scam. But day trading is not a scam, bro. I mean, of course there's going to be the shady persons out there who was scamming people. But you got actual persons out here who's really making money, bro. Like this is 2025, bro. There's multiple ways to make money online, and if you guys don't start locking in and try to figure out some way for yourself to break free from poverty, nobody else is going to do it, bro. Nobody's gonna come and like day trade for you or tell you to get up in the mornings and place trades. You have to find that will yourself. You have to find your own why and start trading, bro. All right. So, yeah, coming back tomorrow. It's Thursday. Took one trade today, bro. I didn't want to overtrade. Already took, already won 2 trades. Tuesday. All right. Didn't trade Wednesday. If you guys been watching me, you know I don't take trades on Wednesday. I only take trades Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. So tomorrow is the last trading day. Um, let's let's see what happens tomorrow. All right, so that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, man, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share. That's it for the video. Peace and love. I'm out.